How about a 2007 Chevrolet Corvette Z51 3LT Coupe with just 20,000 miles? It's going to be a great car. It's going to be a fun car to drive. It's beautiful machine silver on the exterior. It has the ebony gray interior. And under the hood, 400 horsepower LS2 engine with that fun 6-speed manual transmission. Factory features include the $4,945 3LT Preferred Equipment Group. For those who may not know, it's heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, dual power heated sports seats with airbags, universal garage door, transmitter, Bose CD-XM MP3 stereo with in-dash CD changer and steering wheel controls. This car also has the Z51 performance handling package, beautiful polished wheels, two-tone seats with embroidery, and it has the dual-zone electronic climate control, HID headlights, keyless entry and start, fog lamps, power windows. Well, we tell you that everything's power on this car as it should be. It has cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. Best of all, it comes with a clean Carfax. And as you've seen, it's loaded with options. This car shows just 20,103 miles and it's in great condition. The car's paint is very good with a great shine. The factory polished wheels are in very good condition. And just a car that you really have to take a look at. The interior of the Corvette shows a very good factory leather seat, steering wheel, center console, door panels. And additions to this car include the blacked out side marker lenses, body color mud flaps, valve stem caps with the C6 logo, has rubber floor mats with C5 logo and Corvette script. It has black rear bumper fill-ins and a full color hood insulation logo fill-in as well. This car is a great car. Give one of our sales representatives a call here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. And if this isn't quite the car you want, remember, we always have 120 Corvettes in stock. And give us a call at 770-414-5552. Remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And when you do, hit the notification button, and you will get notified of every new car that comes onto our showroom floor here in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you real soon because we would love to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. See you real soon.